好啦，C5嘅呢度啦，好。咁咧嗱，你見到啦，呢度有啲溫習啦。咁你見到呢一課咧，想講 MC 咧，就一定要提及呢一張好鬼 tricky 嘅圖啦。咁呢一張圖咧，緊記呢一張圖啊，你要飲到腦入邊有個畫面就 OK。呢一張圖講緊就係咩咧？佢專登咧將中間呢部機咧，將中間呢一部機咧 zoom 到好大嘅，咁就誤導你以為佢係 intensive 啦。但係你見到側邊啲地係咁鬼大咧，其實佢應該 extensive 先啱，所以咧呢個咧應該 extensive 啊，唔好俾佢 fit 到啊。OK，呢一個題目係一個好經典，佢可以轉一轉，跟住之後將第二部機 zoom 大佢，然之後整後面一個咁荒謬嘅背景俾你聽。OK，唔好俾佢 fit 到，呢個就係呢樣嘢啦。所以2號咧唔啱嘅，所以答案就係 boy 啦，好簡單嘅啫。1、3唔解啦。OK，which is making sense。OK，好啦，跟住之後呢一個咧，第二個好明顯嘅伏位係咩咧？就係呢一度啦，就係講緊你要知道就係呢啲咁嘅咧，就係呢一個啊 crop rotation 啊 vs multiple cropping。OK，咁你記得就係如果佢係整一張圖俾你嘅話咧，一張圖啊，咁一定係 multiple cropping 噶啦。因為點解咧？一張圖睇唔到 crop rotation 嘅 crop rotation 係講緊一個時期 A， 另一個時期 B， 咁變相呢一樣就睇唔到嘅。咁所以變相你唯有就係 multiple cropping 嘅啫。咁 crop rotation 唯一嘢可以點出咧？如果你真係要考 crop rotation 嘅話咧，就係講緊喺一個 stage 1嘅時候係點樣，跟住之後 stage 2嘅時候係點樣。OK，咁如果真係咁出嘅話咧，可以嘅，未出過嘅，但係可以咁出嘅。如果真係問你 crop rotation 嘅話，咁所以 which is 就係3號就咁樣嚟啦。咁跟住你話 intensive 啦，咁你哋一定要知道一個好重要嘅 concept 咧，就係只要你有 multiple cropping 嘅話咧，基本上就一定係 intensive 噶啦。呢一個咧係必然嘅。OK， 背咗佢啦。OK， 係必然嘅。OK， 咁所以就係咁樣啦。咁答案咧就係 A 啦。Farm project market oriented 都好簡單嘅啫。OK， 好啦，咁跟住之後咧就去到 Sahel 嘅部分啦，波21啦。OK， 咁啊呢一個 agricultural activities 咧，擺明 Sahel 嘅咧，嗱記得一講 Sahel 嘅 agricultural activities 咧，唔該你要噏到就係究竟譬如 nomadic herding 啦。OK。nomadic herding 有啲咩 characteristics 啊？呢個基本上都係必考嘅啦。OK，nomadic herding 有咩 characteristics 啊？包括咧就係、譬如係你要記得就係、所以你一定要講到 nomadic herding 個名啦。OK，咁跟住另外就係、你記得就係佢有啲 characteristics 啊，例如係 pastoral 啊，例如係 subsistence 啊，例如係就係、extensive 啊。OK。嗱呢啲咧就係佢 characteristics 啦。另外一啲中文會講嘅咧就係 nomadic herding 嘅話，咁你要講到佢嘅特徵係一個 transhumance 啦。咁 transhumance 嘅目的係咩啊？就係 search for water and pasture 啦。OK， 咁緊記嘅 water and pasture 係一定要講嘅。OK， 咁跟住之後另外咧就係、另外就係你要知道佢哋究竟養咩啊？譬如 rear 一啲 drought resistance 嘅 crops 啊，唔係drought resistance 嘅species 啦。因為佢係 pastoral farming，所以唔係 crops，應該係 species 啦。咁另外仲有一個好重要嘅就係 limit 個 number of livestock 啦。OK， 即係一定要係有限制，如果唔係無限制咁種咧，基本上就一定廢咗㗎啦成件事。OK， 咁大約就係呢啲 point 啦。當然咧仲有嘅，我冇講晒。咁但係 at least 一定要講1、2、3、4。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，你講呢個8個 point at least 都應該唔會太衰啦。記得 nomadic herding 係1分嘅。OK， 呢度佔1分嘅。OK， 唔好喺度唔好漏。OK， 咁你講到咁樣9個 point 應該都唔會衰到去邊嘅，係啦。咁你可以跟住我呢個邏輯就係2個部分。第一個部分就係講緊佢嘅種類，第二個部分就係講緊其他嘅 description。OK， 咁你要記就咁記。OK， 咁啊另外佢就問緊你啦，呢條題目就問緊你呢個 activity 會唔會 intensify 嘅 desertification 啊？咁但一定係會嘅。點解啊？就係因為你會見到我不斷咁樣啊嘛，呢度一見到牛咧，嗱又係一個思維反應嘅時間。一見到牛咧，你應該要諗起咩？一見到牛咧就係 trampling。OK， 一定嘅。OK， 都唔係一啊，係唯一嘅 trampling。OK，trampling 嘅話咪就 soil erosion 咯。然之後下一步咧就係唔係 trampling 唔係 soil erosion，應該係 soil 嘅 compaction。咁咪 soil 嘅 erosion， 下一步就係 desertification， 再下一步係咩啊 ？lower 個 productivity 咯。咁變相再下一步係咩啊 ？lowering 個 carrying capacity of the land。嗱，你記住要跟住呢個 format， 譬如你見到牛啊，就要諗起A B C D E F G。OK， 呢堆嘢。OK，跟翻個 flow， 咁你變相就唔會搭漏 point。OK。 咁所以佢係增加 desertification 嘅 make sense 啦。咁另外 slow down recovery， 咁呢個唔使諗，一啲牛係咁喺度踩落去啲草點樣 recovery 啫。最後啦 causing drier climate 呢個係啱嘅，你要記得就係一樣嘢好重要嘅就係、草有個 function 㗎，就係 evapotranspiration 啦。OK， 咁冇咗 evapotranspiration 嘅話咧，咁自然就會係 drier climate 咯。So that's why answer 係 D， 唔係好難嘅啫，但係answer rate 有啲低啊。OK， 跟住 B22啊，佢問你邊個 help reduce soil erosion 嘅啦？咁你要知道 soil erosion 咧，呢個就係好明顯嘅 soil problem 啦。咁你只要對 soil 好，基本上有利噶啦，包括就係 multiple cropping 啊、drip irrigation 啊、mulching 都係。嗱呢條我就唔係好明，其實我覺得係幾簡單嘅，但係佢又個 rate 有啲低，唔係好 get。咁但係你哋如果認得嘅話，就認得佢哋啦。OK， 呢啲 measures 唔難嘅其實。好啦，跟住之後咧就問緊你 California 啦，咁問你 physical environment。California 一定要記得一樣嘢咧，就係嗱 semi-arid to arid 呢個一定啱噶啦。另外咧就係佢嘅落雨，你記得就係佢嘅西部，美國係咁樣嘅，西部係 Pacific 啊嘛。咁呢度嘛 California， 咁 California 去 inland 就係越近西邊就有落雨咯，因為我哋有一樣嘢叫做 onshore wind。onshore wind， 咁 onshore wind 咧就會帶出就係一啲我哋叫佢做。我哋記得嗰邊叫做 windward slope，OK， 咁所以變相會有 onshore wind 就會 carry rainfall 啦，OK，carry moisture 就會有 rainfall 啦。咁而入邊咧，另一邊咧，我哋就通常係一個位叫做 rain shadow。咩叫 rain shadow？ 咩叫 windward slope？ 或者有座山喺度咁，嗰啲水咧基本上係 pass 唔到 through 座山，會擋晒喺度，所以呢度咧就叫 windward slope。而第二邊就係 rain shadow，rain shadow 即係話完全唔會落雨噶啦。咁你就講到佢係 rain shadow， 所以佢有 very low 嘅 rainfall。OK， 咁所以 rainfall 應該 decreases towards inland， 咁呢個係啱嘅。OK， 咁啊呢度咧好無聊嘅就係 Southern California， 記住考評局咧要求你哋一定要知嘅就係 is moderate 嘅 annual range of temperature。咁但係佢就唔係 small， 緊記住佢。咁但係下一個問題我會問你哋就係、個 annual range of temperature 係咪一個 farming constraint 啊？佢係咪一個 farming constraint 啊？其實唔係嘅 ，annual range of temperature 唔係 farming constraint。真正嘅 constraint 咧，一係就係、其實基本上 climatic 啊。如果我為一個 climatic 嘅 constraint 咧，基本上咧幾個嘅啫。第一個咧就 temperature 個 annual mean 啊。OK，of course 你一定要考試唔好同我寫 temperature 啦。咁但係我懶啊。OK， 你要知道就係 annual mean temperature， 而 annual mean temperature 所引致嘅係咩啊？就係 high annual mean temperature 導致嘅就係 high evapotranspiration rate。OK， 咁 evapotranspiration rate 係高嘅話咧，個影響就係咩？個影響就係話你嗰啲水咧，如果你再 elaborate 咧，呢一分咧係曾經有過啊。咁所以如果你哋保險嘅話咧，可以寫埋呢一分，就係、是、個 annual 嘅 evapotranspiration 咧係 exceed 到個 annual rainfall。嗱，如果有呢一分咧，你先真正 explain 到點解有問題，就係、是、個 annual 嘅 evapotranspiration 係多過 annual rainfall，即係咩意思？就係、是全年嘅蒸發量係多過全年嘅降雨量，咁咪即係話佢係有一個 deficit， 即係話佢係蒸發走嘅水係多過落過嚟嘅水喎，咁咪即係水係一個唔夠嘅狀態咯。咁 which is explain 點解佢係關一個字 drought。OK，drought。OK， 咁呢個係分嘅。咁如果你要寫呢個 point 咧，記住寫 annual， 唔好寫 rate， 因為 rate 代表唔到啲咩，一年先代表得到一樣嘢。OK， 咁你要記得就係 drought 嘅問題啦。咁你見到呢個 logic flow 啦，跟住個 logic flow 會好背啲。第二樣嘢咧，當然咧就係關嗰個雨水事啦 ，low annual mean，low annual rainfall 啦。OK，low annual rainfall 啦。咁另外第二個特徵就係 seasonal rainfall 啦。OK，咁你要記得就係 Southern California 同 Sahel 嘅 seasonal 係唔一樣嘅。Southern California 係 winter 落雨㗎。OK， 而 Sahel 係 summer 落雨嘅，咁你要記得就係 concentrate 喺幾時啊 ？concentrate in winter 咯。OK， 又或者你寫就係 December to March 都得。OK， 咁呢個問題導致咩啊？導致就係一個問題啦，就係、當你 seasonal 去落嘅話咧，咁有機會咧導致到一個問題就係你會唔夠喺某啲位嗰個係冇落雨嘅話咧，咁你咪會有 short growing season 咯。OK， 咁所以啲 point 係咁樣嚟，咁但係又有 get 到呢啲 point 嗰啲順序係點樣嚟？咁通常 climatic constraint 講嘅就係呢啲啦。咁啊當然啦，如果有人哋問你就係 climatic 啊定係 physical 先 ？OK，climatic 定係 physical 先？即係如果問緊你 climatic 就係呢堆啦 ，physical 仲有啲咩啊？仲有一堆 soil 啦，仲有一堆 relief 啦。OK， 仲有一堆 drainage。OK， 唔好唔記得呢啲啊。OK。咁啊唔多講啦。 好啦，跟住 C28啦，佢就話咧邊個 measures are taken in Southern California to tackle 呢個 climatic constraint 啦。嗱，記住啊 ，climatic constraint 問你邊個即係 climatic constraint。crop rotation 係一個 soil 嘅 measure 啊。OK，所以 which is 咧係唔可以 tackle climatic constraint 嘅。OK， 唔可以 tackle climatic constraint。嗱，你可以咁樣解。咁你咁樣解咧，你可能未必解到個底層邏輯嘅。底層邏輯係咩咧？就係咁，其實 climatic constraint 最後都係影響個 soil 啊嘛。嗱，呢一個啱唔啱先？影響個 soil。嗱，啱啱我原本嗰條片咧，即係呢條片嘅解釋片咧，應該係咁樣解嘅，就係佢影響唔到個 climatic constraint 啊嘛。即係佢亦唔係 climatic constraint 嘛。但係我哋如果仔細去諗一層就係，咁其實你要諗下就 soil 喎，影響 soil。你 climate 最尾唔夠水，影響 drought 影響咪 soil 咯。最尾都會翻去 soil 嗰度。咁你話吓，咁如果咁就唔通啦。咁但係就唔好唔記得一樣嘢就係，你要知道咧，我哋一樣嘢就係 Southern California 喎，佢係 high tech 噶嘛，佢有好多解決方法，就唔需要用到 crop rotation 呢一類咁低級嘅解決方法咯。如果你要再解釋啊，係可以咁樣解釋嘅。咁但係我覺得其實你憑就係 crop rotation 咧，已經唔係 tackle climatic constraint 嘅話咧，呢一個某程度上係已經解決到大部分嘅題目㗎啦。咁當然如果你要再諗深一層去證明你嘅 idea，你可以諗下就係佢問緊你 Southern California 嘅 Sahel 咯。咁如果呢個題目係出緊 Sahel 嘅話咧，我就覺得佢唔會咁出㗎啦。因為如果係咁就有啲少少 ambiguous 嘅，即係話你可以話 crop rotation 其實唔係 tackle 緊 climatic constraint，但係因為 climatic constraint 最後都會變翻去 soil 嗰度㗎嘛。咁所以係啦，即係我覺得可以咁樣解咯。OK。好啦，咁但係有一個好特別因素就係咧，第二項呢個 which is 喺呢個題目咧，即係話第二項係有用㗎啦。咁但係咧 dry farming 喺呢個題目咧，你見到 dry farming 係有用嘅。咁但係你去 reference 去 C18呢個題目咧，就問緊你邊個係冇用到邊個係冇用到啦？喺 Southern California，咁答案係 dry farming。咁你就會話吓，唔係矛盾咩？係啊，係矛盾，但係矛盾啊。咁但係如果係咁都冇辦法㗎啦。考評局有陣時就係咁樣自己玩自己。咁所以咧，我哋一律咧方法就好簡單嘅啫。呢個12年啊嘛，呢個17年啊嘛。OK， 我哋更新嗰個，所以 dry farming 係有用嘅。OK， 拜拜。dry farming 係有用嘅。OK， 嗱記得就係有用到。OK， 咁但係咧，大部分時候啦，其實考嘅嘢都好簡單嘅啫。考嘅咧就係唔睇題目。地理嘅 MC 咧其實真係好無聊嘅啫。考緊就係你有冇睇題目咯。OK， 即係就係咁樣嘅啫，其實。好啦，跟住之後咧，佢問你最後一條啦，佢就話2年16條，佢問你邊個係一個 possible consequence of inappropriate use of fertilizer in Southern California。嗱，呢條題目難嘅地方咧就答案係 dot 啦。咁啊難嘅地方咧就係在於呢一個，就係講緊 eutrophication。唔係 eutrophication 係簡單啦 ，chemical fertilizer 梗係 eutrophication 啦。難嘅地方係第3點，通常大家會覺得咧就係 salinization of soil 咧，咪就係 caused by over irrigation 咯，係咪 ？OK。over irrigation 啊嘛，咁變相你有 soil 啊嘛，好多啲鹽，好多 salt 喺嗰啲水入邊啊嘛，咁變相一齊 infiltration 落咗去啦 ，OK， 然之後咧，咁跟住就會 water evaporate 啊嘛 ，evaporate by capillary action 啊嘛 ，OK，capillary action 上去之後，然之後 water 就 evaporate 啊嘛，咁 soil 咪 left on top 咯 ，OK， 咁係啦，咁呢個係典型嘅 over irrigation cause 啊，咁但係你唔好唔記得啊，呢個係第一點。第二點咧，其實就係 use of fertilizer。當然啦 ，overuse OK， 用少少啊唔會嘅 OK。overuse of fertilizer 點解話 overuse of fertilizer 咧？就係你有冇諗過啱啱話點解？就因為好多水，然之後水入邊有鹽啊嘛。chemical fertilizer 唔係鹽嚟嘅咩？係啦，即係佢都係 salt 嚟噶嘛。fertilizer 其實都係 salt， 有到 chem 嘅朋友你就會知道 chemical fertilizer 都係 salt 嚟嘅。咁所以如果係咁嘅話，咁點解 chemical fertilizer 唔可以做啲 salinization 咧？一樣都得，因為你個泥一定要淋水噶嘛，有淋水就一定有水。咁你個問題就係鹽嘅多少啫，你咁樣咪即係加咗鹽落去咯，加鹽落去仲點會唔會導致呢個 salinization 啫？咁所以咧呢個邏輯啊要明白 OK， 如果唔係你好容易會，我覺得佢應該會再翻炒，因為先好少人答啱，所以係啦，就係咁多。 我唔好沿住啦，重溫一下先啦。咁呢一課 C5咧，主要就係睇圖片留意啦，OK，跟住之後留意 crop rotation 啊，同埋 multiple cropping 嘅定義啦，OK。咁跟住另外咧就係留意下 Sahel 啦，咁譬如佢啲嘅時間線 OK，一步一步推論落去呢樣嘢留意啦。跟住另外就係究竟 Southern California 個 end range temperature 係咩咧？跟住點樣去推論咩叫 physical， 咩叫 climatic 嘅咧？OK，跟住之後另外就 dry farming 究竟有冇用到咧？OK，crop rotation 究竟係咪可以 take 個 climatic constraint 咧？嗱，呢個係有少少 ambiguous 啊。跟住最後咧就係究竟嗰個 fertilizer 啊，fertilizer 係咪可以導致 salinization 係可以嘅？OK，呢樣嘢留意啊。